Real estate video marketing can be effective, but it will only be as good as your ability to create a quality video designed to get results. In order to create a successful video, it's best to start with a plan. Just like any other campaign, your real estate video marketing efforts need to start with a plan. Determine your strategy, your target audience, and how you are going to stand out from your competitors before that camera starts rolling. Then it's time to create your quality video. This does not mean hiring a professional unless you of course have the time and budget for it. Once you are satisfied with your video, it's best to test it out before you let it fly. Hitting a send button can feel quite intimidating. If you test the video out among friends or coworkers first, you'll maybe get some opinions and constructive criticism. Don't forget the importance of a call to action. Marketing is marketing, and once you have hooked the line, don't forget to reel it in with a compelling call to action. Investing in high quality equipment and testing your videos before posting them will help you develop healthy marketing habits and will only help you reach more of your audience.